Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You will start by verifying ownership and exposing the site. First, publish your Google site and ensure sharing is public so search engines can crawl. Next, create or locate a sitemap. Many Google sites generate one automatically at /sitemap. XML, if not, make a basic sitemap file. Then sign into Google Search Console and add your site as a property. Follow the recommended verification method. Once done, you'll be ready to request indexing and monitor coverage, which we'll handle next. Now you'll optimize content so Google understands and ranks the site. You should edit each page's title and meta description to include target keywords naturally. This helps click-through rates. Use proper headings, H1 for primary, H2 for sections, and concise, readable URLs. Add alt text to images to improve accessibility and SEO. Then submit your sitemap in Search Console and use URL inspection to request indexing for priority pages. Make sure to monitor finish by ensuring Google has crawled and indexed your site. Use Search Console to request indexing for any newly updated pages and review the coverage report for errors. If pages aren't appearing, check robots. TXT and remove any noindex tags and confirm resources aren't blocked. Also optimize page speed and mobile usability because those affect visibility. If something still fails, one key troubleshooting tip. Inspect the URL in Search Console to see the exact crawl or indexing error, fix it, and then request reindexing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.